Hi, morning guys. We're at our overnighter here at High Force. A little bit damp this morning. We're going to go walk down to the falls, which are just over here, down a long path. You can actually hear the falls right up here, can't you? Oh, there's what's that bird down there? Pheasant.
The river running.
Yeah. You see the river running down there, can't you? We're working our way down this path. It's probably a 10 to 15 minute walk from the hotel, I think. Now you can begin to see it. It's a bit eerie in the mist, doesn't it? What a fabulous looking waterfall that is. We'll see if we get a bit closer. Looks amazing, doesn't it? How many thousand gallons an hour are going over there, do you think? I don't know. Oh, quite impressive this is. You're going from? If you do want to come and visit these falls without staying at the hotel, you can. I think you have to pay, but I'm not quite sure how much it is. Here we go. Adults £1.50, children 50p. And it's £3 to park a car. Don't know what it is for a motorbike. It's blanked over, so let's hope it's free. So over the road there is the main car park for the area. There's the main hotel with the Yam and the Triumph at the front. I think it's time to go and get some breakfast. Don't you?